All right, this is Lyle and Josh, and today we're going through the apps at AI Business Hive. This is the AI Business Hive suite of apps. There we go, that's the words. And so you'll see these up on your screen when you log in. Today we're going to go through the AI videos. Now I do want to make sure you understand something. This AI video will create an entire video out of a single URL. However, keep in mind, it sequences images. It's not going to go on and video for you. It's not going to bring a cameraman out to your location or anything like that. It's really simple. You can start with a website, or you can start with text. You can actually write in your own text here. Then you have themes, hypes, sells, story time, announcement, inspirational, or random facts. Based on what kind of information you put in there, you select what kind of video you want. We're going to open advanced settings because this is very important to know these things. You can add your logo. It'll add your logo at the top. You always want to brand your business. Always have your logo on there. If you have a language other than English, you select it here. You have photorealism or scroll stopping. Scroll stopping is going to be a little more contrast. There'll be a little bit more wild images, so keep that in mind. I tend towards photorealism on most of what I'm doing, but if you have a younger audience or you want something just to be weird, you can always change it later. All right, voices. You have to go through these ton of voices. Let me just show you what a voice sounds like.
Welcome to our AI-powered platform. Your creativity is our...
You probably have heard that voice on a ton of videos, but you can see here you've got a ton of things. We've got women and men.
Welcome to our AI-powered...
She sounds like she's going to sleep, but it's okay. Dorothy may be a little more exciting.
Welcome to our AI-powered platform.
She's got a little bit of an accent and everything. So you got to listen to them a little bit to see what you have. And then you have music styles. Now, these are basic music styles. I highly suggest keep your volume on the voice up, but turn your volume of the music down. If you want to create a hype video, you might turn this music up a little bit, but I would say keep it about right here and keep the voice about right there. That's a good, comfortable blend. That's just from my experience of using this tool. And you could do like EDM type music. Let me turn it so we can hear it though. It's got that really cool feel. If you want the kind of the
build up in there.
It's got the beat going. And, you know, all these other styles. I'm not going to go through all of them, just give you a feel for the types of music. Oh, I just did that one anyway. But you get an idea for how they are, just little simple music styles. You can always create it without a music style and add your own music style. You know, I generally go for a pop or a hip hop if it's for a younger audience. If you have an older audience, you might do classical or country. And ambient, just kind of that backgroundy music that you might want to play with. You can do the rock in the world, whatever style fits you best, folk, jazz, any style. Just play with them, see which one you like, turn it up or down accordingly. I enable captions. That means it's going to put the captions on the video. That's very important. Now, this one right here, I've been playing with. If you have someone's name, you definitely want to keep exact wording. If not, it renames them based on it because it tries to do the audio based on the phonetic spelling of the names, not the audio video. So I would keep this on that. And then transcript color. This is the color that's going to go behind your words as you're typing or your words are coming up on the screen. You could choose your fonts down here if you want something fancier. I would just keep it simple most of the time. These two basic ones are going to be okay. You can do something fancy if you want to do something fancy. That's fine. It just depends on your style. Most people are going to do a minute's worth of video. If you go to 9 slides, you're going to do a minute and a half-ish. Now, these will depend on your voice and how much information you want to put in it. And then you do portrait or landscape. Basically, do you want it to be on a cell phone? You want it to be on YouTube. If you want to put it on YouTube, then you're going to go landscape. Otherwise, you're going to keep it on portrait. I don't change the slide animation. Pan center seems to be a good, simple one, but you can play around with that. You can have it bounce where the image comes up and pops up a little bit. These, you'll have to just research what each one of these things mean. And then you would click create video, and it's going to create whatever information you have here on text or from a website. So let me show you what that looks like. So we're doing a video. We're doing an event. And so this one right here, let me just play a little short snippet of the video.
I love the secrets to heighten business growth with our live mastermind and business training in Colleen TX Business, presented by DigiPro CRM.
And see, I immediately know when she says TX, I probably need to change that to Texas. Now, she's really hyper and loud, and that's okay. It's the voice we chose on that one. And so if I want to change that, all I do is go to that video, and I click Edit. And I could change the words here. And so instead of TX, I would just put the word Texas. And then I could change, I can go down here and regenerate. It would do the whole video over. Or let's say I didn't like these images here. Maybe one of these images I didn't like. I could hit here and it would regenerate the image. Again, it's creating a brand new image that doesn't exist anywhere but on your video. Isn't that cool? So it's going to create that, and it's going to be based on the information you have right here. And so whatever is in that section. So if I wrote up or typed up something, all the typed up section would be broken into sentences, and then the words would come across screen like you just seen. And while this is doing this, you can also upload an image into this section. So let's say you want a picture of yourself or a picture of your business. You can put that in here. It would do that as well. Or I can download these videos. I can download all these videos and make social media images from every one of these videos if I really liked them, they fit my brand. And so that's the benefit of doing that. And let's say that I didn't like this girl's voice. That was Gigi, by the way. Maybe I go to Freya. Let's see what Freya sounds like.
Welcome to our AI-powered platform.
See, she's a little more friendly.
A little less hyper, yeah.
Yeah, so let's change that. We got our video now, and see it change the image. We've got another
You
image
can
of
also,
crowds.
at the bottom, if you see that it's missing some information, you can add a scene. So just add a little bit more information to that video. It'll make it longer,
Yep.
but that's an option that's available there.
Right. Adding a scene will add another thing, and you'll need to put the words in it if you don't have the words in there, because it's going to just put a blank screen. So it has to know where to pull the image from. So make sure you add information. And then you click regenerate. And these things take 7 to 8 minutes. It says, I think it actually takes 3 to 5 minutes. But again, you're using the resources of the program to build these things. And we're not going to keep this video open. Matter of fact, I'm going to pause this recording. Zoom recording. Okay, so that took only us about 3 minutes. You see here's the new video. So I'll click here and you'll see, remember we changed the word TX to Texas?
Unlock the secrets to heightened business growth with our live mastermind and business training in Killeen, Texas business. Presented.
There's the Texas. So that's how we do it. So you see, that's all we had to do is edit this to make the video the way we wanted it. Then we can download it or share it. To download it, you would just click on the image here,
Unlock the
pause
secret.
it, and just right click and save video as. That's the easiest way to do it, I think. If you want to save just this video frame, maybe it's got a really cool image there and a really cool words, you can save video frame just from the screenshot right there. That's another fun little thing to do. All right, Josh, you want to wrap us up?
Yeah, so this is obviously a super powerful tool that is able to be used for your business to help do promotions, help create social media content, help create content for your websites, all of those things in our suite of apps that is called AI Videos. So as you can see, we have this full suite of apps here. We have currently 12 apps, but we are adding apps all the time. And all these apps come to you for the low price of $27 a month. So you get incredible value through these apps, and we encourage you guys to check it out at aibusinesshive.com. I'm Josh, and that's Lyle, and we'll see you next time.
I'm Lyle. Before we get out of here, though, I want to point out if you've ever priced AI videos, there are systems out there that will charge you $16 a minute to produce a video.
Yeah.
And this one, you do as many as you need to do. Take all the different pages from your website, take all the FAQs from your website, create little videos. Those videos can be used on social media, whatever. So powerful tool. Use it. Go in here and play with AI Business Hive apps and enjoy. I'm Lyle. That is Josh. Now wrap us up, Josh.
Yes, and we will see you guys next time.